Alex, our maintenance supervisor, keeps getting his HVAC repair requests denied by Mr. Crawford, the king of the budget. But guess whose executive suite depends on that HVAC? Yup, you guessed it. Alex gets clever. During a big repair, he installs a secret shutoff valve just for the exec floor. Next time Crawford says no, Alex just gives the valve a little twist. Suddenly the brass are sweating or shivering while everyone else is chill. Crawford storms in, demanding action. Alex? Still waiting on your approval, boss. Magically the funds appear. Who says you can't fight office nonsense with a little creative compliance?